Hmm. So rate of change of volume with respect to is also important with respect to radius. The volume of sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. We have to differentiate V in terms of R. So dV by dr is equals to 4 pi r square. 3 will get cancelled. At r equals to 2, so we'll substitute the value 4 pi into 2 square. 4 fours are 16 pi will be our answer. Option C. Rate of change of volume of sphere with respect to diameter. Now volume of sphere is V equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube, but that is in terms of radius. We'll convert this in terms of diameter. So we can substitute radius equals to d by 2 whole cube. So this will be equals to 4 pi d cube upon 3 into 8 is 24, or pi d cube by 6 becomes our volume of sphere with respect to diameter. Now differentiate. Pi by 6 is constant, 3d square, that is pi by 2 d square. Instead of d, now we will substitute 2r. So pi by 2 into 4r square, which will give us 2 pi r square. Shape is cylindrical shape. Diameter is 20, which means diameter is constant, and eventually radius is also constant, which is equals to 10. It is filled with weight at a rate of 314 cubic meter per hour. This is dV by dt. Rate of change of volume with respect to time. We can know that from the unit cubic meter per hour. The depth of the weight is increasing at a rate of, depth means we have to find height. Rate of change of height, dV by dt, we have to find. We'll start with the volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Because pi and r square are constant, dV by dt will be equals to pi r square into dh by dt. Value of dV by dt is given, it is 314. Pi into radius is 10 meters into dV dh by dt. Now dh by dt is equals to 314 by 314, which is equals to 1 meter per hour. Rate of change of area of rhombus with respect to side is equals to the side of the rhombus. આનો મતલબ શું થાય? મેથમેટિકલી કઈ રીતે લખવાનું? Rate of change of area dA by dx is equals to x. S लिखो तो dA by ds is equals to x. तो ये लिखो, तो ये दोनों से. So first we need the formula for area of rhombus. Question is we have to find the angle of the rhombus. Theta we have to find. So area of rhombus in terms of side and theta is given as x square sine theta. Okay. Now differentiation will be dA by dx equals to it will be 2x sine theta. Sine theta constant. Okay. Now this is equals to x. So x equals to 2x sine theta. X can be cancelled out. Sine theta equals to 1 by 2, or theta equals to pi by 6. The function here is x square e raised to minus x. We have to find the interval in which it is increasing or decreasing. So dy by dx, which will be our f dash x, will be equals to first x square constant minus of e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x constant. Differentiation of x square will be 2x. From this we can take x e raised to minus x common, and the value will be minus x plus 2, or minus x e raised to minus x minus 2. E raised to minus x नहीं होगा. Now we'll plot this on the number line. Critical values are 0 and 2. Usually rightmost is positive, negative, positive. Yeah. x भी तो है. प्लस x equals to 0 करो तो x into x minus 2 बचेगा. So either x equals to 0 or x minus 2 equals to 0. तो 0 और 2 दो ही मिलेंगे. शांति. अब here we go. Now because of this negative sign, this polarity will get reversed and negative, positive, negative. Okay. So now we want the increasing one. The region is between 0 to 2. Correct answer is 0 to 2 option. Purple. अगर negative sign से देव बोलो. Function is x upon log x. X upon log x. F of x is equals to x upon log x. You have to find interval in which it is increasing. Increasing means f plus x is greater than equals to 0 or similar. Intervals find करो. First step to also f plus x. We'll find f plus x. So f plus x here would be equals to log x constant, differentiation of x is 1, minus x constant, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, whole upon log x whole square. So now this is equals to log x minus 1 upon log x whole square. This is our f plus x. क्या इक्वल्स टू 0 करना क्यों? वही आगे तो करना पड़ेगा. एलसीएम लेके डिनोमिनेटर निकाल दो. Next step, let f plus x equals to so log x equals to, which means x equals to e raised to 1. शुरू करना पड़ेगा. डिनोमिनेटर को 0 करके तो टर्म अनडिफाइंड हो जाएगा. log x 0 तो होगा ना. log 1 is 0. हाँ वो तो ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ. देख -1 दिया ही, डोमेन नहीं दे दिया. तो हमें क्या करने की जरूरत? अनडिफाइंड. फाइंड सिर्फ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू से करनी है. जब यहाँ पे डोमेन आएगा, सपोज ऐसा आता है आंसर -1 टू इंफिनिटी, तो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी -1 टू इंफिनिटी माइनस ऑफ 1. ठीक है. चलो, e to infinity will be by Viveka positive, this will be negative. F of x is equals to x plus root of, the first step would be find f dash x. F dash x would be equals to 1 plus partial below differentiation 1 by 2 root 1 minus x into minus 1. 1 minus x will be 1. So basically this is equals to 2 root 1 minus x minus 1 whole upon 2 root 1 minus x. Next step, let f dash x is equals to 0. So 2 root 1 minus x minus 1 equals to 0. Root of 1 minus x equals to 1 by 2. 1 minus x equals to 1 by 4. X is equals to 3 by 4, critical value. Plotting on the number city. So this is positive and here it will be negative. We have to find the decreasing. Correct answer is 3 by 4 to 1. Cos 4x. Correct. Chalo. You can try. Differentiation of sine is cos, which is positive for 0 to pi by 8. Differentiation of minus cos is plus sine. Minus of minus sine, it will be plus sine. Positive for 0 to pi by 8. Differentiation of cos 4 is 4 sine 4x. Minus of 4 sine 4x, which is negative in 0 to pi by 8. X lies between 0 to pi by 8. So 4x lies between 0 to pi by 2, where sign is positive, but minus sign will be negative. So it decreases in 0 to pi by 8. Correct answer is cos 4x. Minimum value of x log x. Here function is x log x. I have to find the minimum value. First step is finding the differentiation. F dash x constant, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, plus log x constant, differentiation of x is 1. So it will be 1 plus log x. Next step, let f dash x is equals to 0, which means 1 plus log x is equals to 0, or log x is equals to minus 1, or x is equals to e raised to minus 1. 1 by e. Now therefore 1 by e will be 1 by e log e raised to minus 1. So answer is minus 1 by e. 1. Log e to the base e is, so all these 3 points satisfies the condition. A, B and D. 3 points satisfies this equation, which is x square equals to 2y. So next we'll now find the distance. Distance of point A will be 2 root 2 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 5 whole square. Answer will be 8 plus 1, 9. For D, it should be 0 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 5 whole square. Answer is 25. For D, 2 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 5 whole square is equals to 9 plus 4 will be 13. Least value we are getting in option A. Correct answer is rate of change of surface area of sphere. पहले क्वेश्चन रीड करने का, वॉल्यूम दिया, सरफेस एरिया दिया, क्या है? Rate of change of surface area with respect to radius r. Now surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. So ds upon dr will be equals to 8 pi r. When r equals to 6, it would be 48. ક્લાસમાં બેસીને એવું જ લાગે કે આવું પૂછ્યું તું. આ જેને પેપર, જેનું પેપર છે એ બી હોશિયાર જ છે, એને શું ટીક કરી છે જુઓ, કેમ 12 પાઈ કર્યું હશે. मैक्सिमम वैल्यू अगेन इसमें भी शॉर्टकट लिखा हुआ है कि whenever we have this type of function a cos x plus b sin x, the range is given by minus r to r. where r equals to under root of a square plus b square. A and b both are equals to 1 here. It will be root 2. So the range will be equals to minus 2 comma 2. Maximum value will sorry minus root 2 comma plus root 2. Maximum value here will be plus root 2. Chalo sin 3x. Wait a minute. Sin 3x, f of x is equals to sin 3x. So f plus x will be equals to 3 cos 3x. Now the range of x is 0 to pi by 2. So for 3x it will be 0 to 3 pi by 2. So first, second and third quadrant. Cos is positive in first, negative in second and third. So we can say function is increasing in first and decreasing in other two quadrants. Question is function is increasing in 0 to pi by 2, decreasing in 0 to pi by 2, wrong, decreasing in 0 to pi by 6 or pi by 6 to pi by 2. Let f dash x is equals to 0. So we'll get cos 3x is equals to 0. So 3x becomes equals to either pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2. So we are getting the critical values at pi by 6 and 3 pi by 6. Hmm. So we are getting extra two values at pi by 6, pi by 6 or pi by 2. Chalo, ab, so correct answer is it is increasing in 0 to pi by 6 and decreasing in pi by 6 to pi.